Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Abid Hussain, and in today's tutorial I am going to walk you through one of the most fundamental aspects of web design, styling text using CSS. You will learn how to use essential properties like font size, font family and font weight, plus advanced ones like line height, letter spacing and text align. And also I will show you how to import Google Fonts to make your website looks clean and modern. If you are into a web development or just starting your front-end journey, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn off notifications so you never miss valuable content like this. Let's get started. First thing is first, let's start with font size. But I have already created a file in with the name of index.html, and it is in, I'll show you, it is in my CSS folder, and this is font style, here is index.html, and I have opened in this file in Visual Studio Code. This is my Visual Studio Code, and also this is your run in our browser. Okay, now let's do. Here I will create an h1, suppose h4, h2, whatever you want, but I will create h4 font size, sure, and font size, sure. Now let's see first, this is font size, and now I will apply font size here. Here I will create style tag first, then h4 and font size. Suppose 40 pixels. You can see now font size increased. Okay, I will suppose we'll do 100 pixel here. It will increase like this, and we can also use another value here. Suppose 3 or this is we defined in previous video. Okay. This is how we add font size in our HTML tags and or in text. Suppose I have a paragraph here also. Or in some, and there's word wrap here. Now let's see, this is our text. Now if I want to apply font size on this, so I will use font size, suppose 20 pixels. See, font size is increased now, and suppose I will increase by 30 pixels. You can see this is how we apply font size on our web page for text. Now another thing is font family. Suppose see what font family is there. This is default font family of, we can say, HTML. Now if we want to change the font family of it, then we have to use another property of CSS, font family. Suppose I will use sense of. You can see font family is now changed, font style is also changed. So I will apply for this also, font family. Now I will suppose use this one. You can see now this font is for this. Now I can suppose I want to use another font family here. if you want. Suppose I will use suppose cursive font. Suppose I will use this one. You see, now this is another font family. Okay, this is our font family. Suppose if you want to add a font family which is not in my PC, if you want to external font, like we can say Google font, how can you import Google font here? You can use suppose we will go to the Google fonts, go to the Chrome, then search for Google fonts. Here is our site, Google fonts browsers, browse fonts. Suppose whatever font you want to use, you can see here what type of font you want to use, you can use it. Suppose I want to font use this. Suppose I will choose one font. This is a very different. Suppose I will use this font. Also, you will get font. Here I can get embed code. Then there is a link. Here is an HTML link. Here is another link we can use. Import for CSS. We are using CSS. We can use this one. So I will use this. Or if you want to use HTML code, you can use copy code here, and so I'll show you first this one. I will use this one. I will paste it on heading, head tag, in head tag. Okay, now if I want to use this font, then I can copy this font family, and now if you want to use here, you can paste it here. Now see, font family is imported and also pasted. Now there is another thing. If you want, I want to use this one font, JetBrains font. There are two fonts already applied here, 3 and not only this. Wait a second. I will use this one because 3 fonts are applied. This one is here. I'll show you one more time what actually is happening here. Here is we have embed. How many fonts we have embedded here? We have this, delete this one, and delete also this one. Now we have only this font. We can copy this code, or we can paste here. Now let's copy font family and paste it. Let's see, this is our. Suppose if you want to add another font, suppose for text, this is suppose for heading. If you want to add another font for the you can say text, then go back and can choose any font what you want. Suppose I will use let me show you some. Maybe suppose this font, get font, embed code. Now you can copy this one and copy here and replace this. Sure, now it is replaced, and now you can use this cursive font family for this one. You can see now this font is also applied here. This is how you can say choose font from Google Fonts. This is the link I will say provide you in description, Google Fonts link. And another thing is here, font weight. Let's do, suppose I have this one, I want to make it some bold. Font weight, suppose bold. You can see this font is now bold. If I want, I can say use value. Suppose I will use 900. This is bold. This is bold. Suppose I will use 500. You see, font weight is reduced. Now you can see font is reduced. And also, if I want font, or we change font weight for this. If I remove this, you can see this is bold now. This is light now. This is how we can change. We can say font family, font weight, or font size. And now another one is line height. Suppose I have, I can say gapping between these two. We can call it line height. How much space between these two lines is line height. Suppose I want to change the line height of this. Suppose I will say line height, suppose 2.5. You can see now, see the gapping between these two. And suppose I will give 1.5 for example. Notice, suppose I will give you Q0. See, suppose I will give 1, give 1.1. Accordingly you can change and you can adjust by if you want. Then another one is letter spacing, gapping between two letters. Suppose I want to add letter spacing here. Letter spacing, suppose for example 4 pixels. This is suppose 10 pixel. I will show you. See the gapping between these characters. This is how we can give spacing between letters, characters. See this. Suppose I will say 0. Suppose I will say minus 10 pixel. You can see. This is how it works. So I will give 4 pixel. Now it is like this. There is another thing, text align, alignment of text. So let's see text align. Suppose center. This will be on the center now. Sorry. Suppose I will give the text align for this. Text align. Suppose I will give justify. You can see it covers all the space where it exists of its container. Suppose it is in this text in body, it will take bodies all width. It will adjust accordingly according to its container. Suppose I will give center. Now it is in center. Suppose I will give left. It is on left now. So I will give right. It is on right now. I will give this right. This is all right now. Likewise, we use font. You can say text align. Now let's make. We can say make something very beautiful for you. This is now. This is bones for you. Suppose I will make a container, div container here. I will give h3 here. I will apply all these styles to here. And another one is para. Suppose Lauren. Sure. Now I will style this one. this is how you can see this thing. And width was, you can see this card, and now font family we will apply this one. See this letter spacing. Text align center. You can see this is how. And now I will style this. Text align justify, you can see this text exact space what you can see here. It adjusts width according to its container. And text align center, you can see font size here, suppose 20 pixels. Font size increased. If you want font size, change font size here. $30 you can see. This is how we can, you can say, add font size, font family, text align, letter spacing, line height. Suppose I will give line height for this. Suppose 1.5. You can see now the readability increases the readability of it. That's why we use, you can see, line height. Okay. And that is it for today's tutorial on CSS text styling. Now you understand how to control fonts, spacing, alignment, and even how to add custom fonts in your site. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, leave a comment if you have any question, and most important, hit the subscribe button to support the channel and keep learning with me. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video.